Master Plumber Refresher about plumbing arithmetic elements. Part 1.2. For any two triangles, if an angle of one triangle is congruent to an angle of the other, and if the two sides of one triangle are proportional to two sides of the other, they are what kind of triangles? A. Complementary. B. Supplementary. C. Similar. D. Similar. The answer is letter C. Similar. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is always A. Unaligned. B. More than 90 degrees. C. Less than 90 degrees. D. 90 degrees. The answer is letter D. 90 degrees. A factor repeated to produce a power is A. Numerator. B. Square. C. Quotient. D. Root. The answer is letter D. Root. A polygon with 10 sides is A. Dodecagon. B. Undecagon. C. Decagon. D. Tendecagon. The answer is letter C. Decagon. Two angles having the same vertex and the side of one is the prolongation of the side of the other is A. Acute angle. B. Scalene angle. C. Obtuse angle. D. Vertical angle. The answer is letter D. Vertical angle. The volume of the cube is equal to the cube of the measure of its A. Angle. B. Corner. C. Edge. D. Diagonal. The answer is letter C. Edge. If each two lines is perpendicular to the same line, and the lines are A. Perpendicular. B. Parallel. C. Tangent. D. Convergent. The answer is letter B. Parallel. Is a branch of mathematics dealing with integers and more generally numeral computation. A. Algebra. B. Trigonometry. C. Geometry. D. Arithmetic. The answer is letter D. Arithmetic. The power to which a number is raised is indicated by a small superior figure called A. Logarithm. B. Increment. C. Exponent. D. Mantissa. The answer is letter C. Exponent. A space that is devoid of matter in which the pressure is zero. A. Black hole. B. Outer space. C. Vacuum. D. Inner space. The answer is letter B. Outer space. Decrease in the value of a physical property due to the passage of time. A. Inflation. B. Depletion. C. Recession. D. Depreciation. The answer is letter D. Depreciation. We may classify an interest rate, which specifies the actual rate of interest on the principal for 1 year, as A. Nominal rate. B. Rate of return. C. Exact interest rate. D. Effective rate. The answer is letter D. Effective rate. The ratio of the interest payment to the principal for a given unit of time, and usually expressed as a percentage of the principal. A. Interest. B. Interest rate. C. Investment. D. Rate. The answer is letter B. Interest rate. Additional information of prospective bidders on contract documents issued prior to bidding date. A. Depict. B. Escalate. C. Assessment. D. Bid bulletin. The answer is D. Bid bulletin. The acceleration blank is the mass of the object. A. Directly proportional to. B. Inversely proportional to. C. Directly proportional to the square of. D. Inversely proportional to the square of. The answer is letter B. Inversely proportional to, where force equals mass times acceleration. Reduction in the level of national income and output, usually accompanied by the fall in the general price level. A. Devaluation. B. Deflation. C. Inflation. D. Depreciation. The answer is letter B. Deflation. It is a series of equal payment occurring at equal interval of time. A. Annuity. B. Debt. C. Amortization. D. Deposit. The answer is letter A. Annuity. The place where buyers and sellers come together. A. Market. B. Business. C. Recreation center. D. Buy and sell section. The answer is letter A. Market. A market whereby there's only one buyer of an item for which there are no goods substitute. A. Monopsony. B. Oligopoly. C. Monopoly. D. Oligopsony. The answer is letter A. Monopsony. It is a series of equal payments occurring at equal interval of time, where the first payment is made after several periods after the beginning of the payment. A. Perpetuity. B. Ordinary annuity. C. Annuity due. D. Deferred annuity. The answer is letter D. Deferred annuity. The total income equal the total operating cost. A. Balance sheet. B. In place value. C. Check and balance. D. Break even, no gain, loss. The answer is letter D. Break even, no gain, loss. Kind of obligation which has no condition attached. A. Analytic. B. Pure. C. Gratuitous. D. Private. The answer is letter C. Gratuitous. Direct labor costs incurred in the factory and direct material costs of all materials that go into production. The sum of these two direct costs is known as A. G, S, and A expenses. B. Operating and maintenance costs. C. Prime costs. D. O and M cost. The answer is letter C. Prime cost. An index of short-term paying ability is called A. Receivable turnover. B. Profit margin ratio. C. Current ratio. D. Asset test ratio. The answer is letter D. Asset test ratio. An artificial expenses that spreads purchase price of an asset or another property over a number of years. A. Depreciation. B. Sinking fund. C. Amnesty. D. Bond. The answer is letter A. Depreciation. Estimated value at the end of the useful life. A. Market value. B. Fair value. C. Salvage value. D. Book value. The answer is letter C. Salvage value. Consists of the actual counting or determination of the actual quantity of the materials on hand as of a given date. A. Physical inventory. B. Material update. C. Technological assessment. D. Material count. The answer is letter A. Physical inventory. A series of uniform accounts over a period of time. A. Depreciation. B. An annuity. C. Perpetuity. D. Inflation. The answer is letter B. Annuity. What is the highest position in the corporation? A. President. B. Board of Directors. C. Chairman of the board. D. Stockholders. The answer is letter C. Chairman of the board. Type of ownership in business here. Individuals exercise and enjoy the right in their own interest. A. Equitable. B. Public. C. Private. D. Pure. The answer is letter C. Private.